Muted. Bubbles, guys. Good evening. Ooh, that's rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Welcome. It's a slow vibe. The sun is shining. The beats are. What do I say? What do I say? Hey, yo, Andrew, Virus. Thrusting in the background, I can hear the cheer. Yo, Stuart, good evening. Neil, good evening. William, good evening. Hey, Sunny, good evening. Good evening. Amber, good evening. BTC, good evening. Yo, Easy, good evening, guys. You guys can see that the mood has changed. The songs, the music is different. Did you tag LRC? No, Andrew, I had nothing to do with that. The entire crypto market tanked on its own. So, not really a tank, but a retracement, right? So, I don't know what to tell you, Andrew. Don't know what to tell you. Trying to recover now, though, which is nice, right? We're trying to recover, which is good. So, pump it. No more dips. Yo, Crystal. Hey, yo. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Hopefully, our crypto gives us the chance to thrust tonight, please. And thank you, Robert. Good evening. Welcome to Hot Trades After Dark. After Dark. Zell is still up. Interesting. I want to take a look at the top 24% against the top 24-hour gainers here, and waves. Luna's done well today, of course. XLM is done not too bad. Gino, cool. Flo, cool. Right? We've had some good names here today. Ada's done well. Ted's done well. LRC's done well. Andrew, done well. Right? Still around that dollar level, so it needs to get going. And Thrust, hey yo, Queen. Hey. King, Rob, good evening. What do you think about Dogelon Mars? Let's take a look. Dogelon hit 8-0 from last night, and then just continued pumping. So Dogelon looks good, right? If that thing can hold that 0 and I'll give it back, that'd be cool, right? So it has a lot of work to do in terms of like a breakout. The music seems loud, right? So we'll take a look at Dogelon. Anything else on here that I want to take a look at? Yeah, we'll run through a few names as the night goes on anyway. So TC and Thrust. Let's go. Good evening, BK, Dave. Good evening. Good evening, all. Welcome back. Welcome to yeah. So again, Bitcoin is holding about $47,000, which is nice. I mean, it was bound to happen at some point. We were bound to get a retracement at some point here. We seem to be finding a nice little bit of support here, 47.3, which is good, right? And a double bottom earlier. Well, kinda. Right, at $47,000 here, which is not too bad, right? So it's expected that we're gonna dip at some point, which we did from $48,000, and yeah, so 48.3. So we hit that level, almost resistance, right? So some of these levels are really weird. They're really weird because we look at these charts and then we leave them alone, and then we come back like a month later. It's like, oh, what's $48,000? What's what's 48.3? It's like, I don't know where that level's coming from, but it still struggles to break above that level when we get a nice dip all the way down to support, fail, double bottom bounce, fail to the next level, right? So for now we need to break above this 47.5 resistance, right, and then get going. So again, Bitcoin, don't think this is a huge concern anyways for anybody, right? This is just a healthy retracement. We've been pumping since like $42,000, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Almost like a rap song. Right? So again, this retracement is expected. The hope was that we would run all the way to 50 before retracing. But yeah. So see if we can push above 47.5. I don't know if I'd even call this a retracement, right? Above 47.5, and then keep pumping to $48,000 again and push for 50. That'd be nice, right? Some of the bigger names here in terms of like gains here. So yeah, let me take a look. Elon here, right? The Dogelon. Elon. Let me see what Elon. Again, we talked about Elon last night, and Elon was up 10% when we started, and then it ran about 30 something percent, right? So it's It's destroyed a zero. That's what it's done. Destroyed a zero, right? So hopefully those gains can hold, right? Let me take a look at the daily chart here for Elon. Again, if you're not in a position, you want to be then you want to be careful, right? You want to be careful, especially when you start approaching levels like that. You want to be careful when you start approaching resistance. I mean, like levels that we've considered, that we filled that a few times already. Then you want to be a little bit cautious, right? So we need to clear this 14, right? For that level, and then okay, cool. You can talk about the 22s. That this is really the level that we've been looking at here for potential breakout here for Elon, right? So if you guys remember back in the day, right, this level here, right, breakout of this level, that's explosion territory, right? So again, yeah, so that Elon again needs to clear this level and push for that. Once that happens, yeah, okay, cool, explosion. For now, your hope is that you can, maybe hold the zero here at the very minimum. Hold these bottoms here, right? Hold those bottoms, bikini bottoms. So that's Elon there. Let me take a look at. Oh, Terra to the moon, Musty. Terra. Yeah, Terra's done well. Actually, you mentioned that last night, Musty, right? Yesterday, yeah. You mentioned that last night. I'll take a look at waves. Virus is always ready for trouble. I was hoping for nightfall. I guess I'll put the robe back on. Virus. Virus was hoping for like uh like we're coming into the stream with nightfall. We're gonna have to start doing that. We're gonna have to start doing that every stream. We're gonna start with nightfall. We're gonna have to start doing that soon. Anyways, so that is Elon there. Let me take a look at waves here. So waves seems to be like green marked here for some reason. I don't know why. Usually I mark names with green. That I want to watch it really closely. Or so I don't know why. I don't remember why I marked waves here green. But anyways, it's done well. Like I wish I bought it then, right? So because that thing has gone from like $10 here to $40, $50, right? So it's done really well, like really really well there, really well. Nice little double bottom there at $8, right? That would have been a really nice buy actually. Again, just from a technical point of view, that would have been really nice. It's done well, like really really well. So it waves here. It broke above those again, broke above the previous all-time high, right at $42 here, 40 let's just say $40, right, which is really interesting. If you're looking for a brand new position on this play, as you put $50 there, and that being like a psychological level, like a round number that you might struggle at, you might just want to wait for a dippity dip. So like a moving average is something. Open and close with nightfall. Yeah, virus, right? Open and close. Andres, Cosmos, ¿cómo estás? I'm good. I'm good. Muy bien. ¿Y tú? How are you, Andres? Uh, for my target for Shiba, they're really isn't a target for Shiba. Like honestly, there really isn't a target for Shiba. There's more like, okay, cool. What's the news? Why are we pumping, right? And can we just keep going, right? Um, that's it for Shiba, right? Like when for most of these pumps here, they're releasing the target until we start getting like outrageous numbers, right? And Shiba really isn't sitting there, so they're releasing the target. So that thing does need to clear 30 though. 3,000. Shiba, take a look at Shiba. Take a look at the Shiba Inu Dinu. Shiba Inu Dinu or Shiba. So Shiba had a nice little run today, and then everything dipped, and it dipped just like that, right? When I dip, you dip, just like that. Anyways, Shiba needs to clear this 30 level here. That's your next target, right? Clear that 30. Okay, cool. Let's talk about 30, 35s. Let's talk about guys, remember these days? Back in the day, guys. Back in the day when Shiba, you guys remember this run here? That was beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful here. Wow. Wow. Actually, double top. Um, double top for Shiba here, right? At 9,000 there. Fire. That was fun, right? It just double topped, right? So can we get a triple top, please? Can we get a triple top, right? So Shiba again has been a nice buy around the 20s, the 21s, the 22s. It's been a really nice buy the last two dips, right? So around 20, 21, 22s, not too bad, right? So and now it needs to clear that 30 level there. That's your next main level of resistance. I don't, but I bought after the run. You did, Andrew? Yeah, I know, right? I'm good. Shiba for life. I'm good. How are you? Soka gang assembling. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Target was losing a zero before you bought it. Yup. Andrew, I know. I know. Hopefully we can get a we can get a run soon. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time before one of these these things start running again. These altcoins, right? So again, Bitcoin, right? Pump and holds, please. And then every once in a while we're gonna get a different coin run. So Shiba, Doge, this, that, right? So we need Shiba going here. We need another run for the Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. We need so I feel like Robinhood is like fizzled out. Initially it was all the hype. Robinhood, Robinhood, Robinhood. And that's all it's about, right? So it's not again, right? It's all about the hype, right? So it's all about the hype that surrounds like these you know it's not exactly about people buying Shiba using Robinhood. It's more about like, okay, cool, can I FOMO in because there's a potential catalyst coming up, right? So we need something like that for Shiba again. We need something. Will we reach $1 kind of nights, right, Virus? We need nights like that again. When do we win $1, guys? When we go into is Shiba going to $1? Those nights were fun. Fun. Captain American shields. Captain America. Captain America. Don't forget to smash the like, guys. If you haven't already, smash the like, hit that subscribe, fun stuff. Already? Let's go, Crystal. Let's go. And then, do I want to take a look at Dogecoin here? um just because again we talked about these things quite a bit and they're all still at the same levels, right? Like nothing's really changed here for Doge, right? Like nothing's changed at all. Still needs to break above 16 cents, right? That's your next main level there. And then of course the mother of all levels, right? 20 cents, right? The FOMO really kicks in once it clears 20 cents here. That's when people are like, oh my goodness, okay, Doge, you mean to tell me that you're a real contender now? Because Doge doesn't go from here like today with like without with like I'm trying to say catalyst, but not necessarily catalyst, but with something, so like something substantial. Again, not a catalyst, but like Doge pushing from here to 20 cents, that gets a lot of ice on it. So the fact if you can clear that 20-cent level, right? FOMO, 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 right? Back to the 30s, back to pumping again. So back into running for the summer, right? With the rocket launch, right? So satellite launch, Doge One rocket, right? So that'd be cool. Super, super cool there. Right? Super, super cool. It's been a while since we looked at mana in terms of like technicals, but it's we like the excitement more than you know what I mean? So actually I wanted to take a look at Luna. I'll take a look at Luna here first. So Luna's at $99. The only concern here with Luna, and this is just purely from a technical point of view, because Luna looks like fundamentally Luna wants the moon. It absolutely wants the moon, right? So and so again, just from a technical point of view here, Luna has a lot of resistance at just around $100, right? Again, a lots of resistance, right? Failed here the first time, right? It's been struggling around this $100 level. So break above and hold that level, clear 104, right? This thing might just go. It might just might will go, right? So will go, right? If you can clear that level and actually hold above it. So I'm gonna put a line here around $100 just for just for visual purposes here, right? So we clear this level here, right? And actually hold that level, right? Luna says bye. See ya, right? So it looks really good. It's done well, right? The only thing here, so my only warning signs are gonna come for Luna here. If this thing starts creating, if we fail at this level and we do something like this, right? If all of a sudden we start creating lower highs, right? Lower high, lower high, lower high. That's a signal of a sell-off, right? Regardless of like potential fundamentals, it might be a little bit of an issue because then you might dip and then recover and pump again. It might dip to $80, right? Support and then send it again, right? So $90, right? Which is not too much of a dip, right? If you're holding long term anyways, right? But it needs to clear this $100 level and actually close above it on a daily basis. I don't want to hear about no struggles, no struggles, no struggles. No, Luna looks good. Mana technically tanking. 5 minute bubbles. Ooh, can you do the 5 minute bubbles? Oh, you can actually. You can. I like that. I like these 5 minute bubbles, Crystal. I did not. Yeah, I like those 5 minute bubbles actually. 140 incoming. There you go. Look at these 5 minute bubbles, guys. 5 minute bubbles. No struggles, guys. No struggles. I don't want to hear about no struggles. Man, this is crypto the last 5 minutes, guys. It looks green, green. Looks good, right? We want to see these bubbles onto the 15, onto the hourly, onto the daily. Let's pump. Think we are, pump above, pump above. No struggles, just monies, please, right? These look like those look like monies. I like that. Like that. What's that doing? Actually, okay, cool. Ada, 120 still. Okay, nice. Right. Zill is actually done not too well. I mean, it's holding 10 cents, so not too bad, right? So, pump and holding those gains, so that's not too bad. What's Gala at? Still slacking. Just kidding. Um, yeah, right. So LRC here, Andrew still slacking. Still not above EI. Okay, no, never mind. What's ETH at, anyways? Okay, cool. Not bad. No struggles, green bubbles. Can you believe that 1 year ago, Blaze was streaming about Doge? Right? Queen, a year ago. Wow, that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. Amber, hey yo, that was a lot of fun. Wow, we've had some fun, guys, and that's the most important part of this all, right? Like just friendships, because that's all that really matters, anyways. So it's been there's some really good memories, some really good memories. So yeah. Wow, wow, wow. I remember like it's yeah, from like 6 cents. We streaming Dogecoin, 6 cents, all the way to 70 cents. Wow. Amazing. You know, I just remember like one thing that really stands out to me, like one of the nights, Dogecoin pumped all the way to it's Doge day 420. Dogecoin pumps all the way to 40 cents. And like I'm exhausted because we've been streaming Doge from 6 cents like almost nonstop, right? All the way to 40 something cents. And then it's Doge day, right? And we hopped up the stream, but the stream is still running. And Al and Gary are in the comments, still controlling everything, right? And then Doge decides to crash. Like, I'm having some food. The first time in like a little bit, so I'm having some food. And I'm sitting there like I'm exhausted. I'm sitting there watching the comments. And and Dogecoin crashes. Like that thing crashes hard. From like the 30s all the way down to 14 cents, and like people are panicking in the chats. Like I honestly have no energy to like come on and stream anymore. Like I'm just watching and watching, and like Gary and everyone's like, buy the dip. Come on, Al says buy the dip, please. Don't panic. Don't panic. Like it's chaos in the chat. It's like I told you guys this thing was gonna crash, and then the next day Doge is pumping again. Like it's been like it's yeah. Elon Gaines wore me out. You're resting and thrusting muscles, guys. Okay, Dustin. I know. Right, Naz is gone skis. Naz was in Iran, visiting her family, and then she is in France now. There you go. You get on the phone and don't realize you want a mug, and these criminals want your mug. Where's Peter? Where are all the criminals? I'm telling you, Robert. Want your mug? Uh, Elon to the moon. There you go. Gains those sassy gains. Where's Edgar? Where's Edgar? Um, let's see where Edgar is tonight. Um, 420 was a disaster. Yeah, another example. Buy the hype, sell the news. Right? Buy the hype, sell the news. Doge Day 420, and then you had SNL as well. So Rocket Launch Day. If Dogecoin is pumping, now you know. Sell it before. Uh, what can I say, Robert? I had your back, dude. Stuart, there you go. Peter, what? Peter. Anyways, let me keep looking at some of these charts here, guys. Again, so Luna is slowly creeping back to $100, which is nice, right? Which is really nice, right? Which is very, very nice. I'm gonna skip Gala there. Let me take a look at FTM here. So FTM again. I mean, it's sitting out. I'm surprised this thing hasn't gone like some explosive candles already going here, because it should be bouncing really strongly up this level, right? It's the candles are a little bit more they're way too modest here. It needs to go, like it needs to pump to like 180, like that's what it needs to do, and then go for $3, of course, and then never look back. How about that, right? Needs to do that. So again, not bad though. It's been slowly creeping up there. I'm gonna skip that. Again, so Bitcoin is slowly creeping up here as well, but almost 47,600 there, so not too bad. Sandbox is actually done not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, those candles look very symptomatic though. So um, what else here do I want to take a look at? Ape failed. Ape failed the test, guys. It failed the test. Failed to break above 15 and actually hold it. 1550? Nope, not quite yet. So and then broke below 1450. So yeah, the roller coaster continues. It's now. Um, a photoshopping queen, yeah. 420 2.0 coming soon. Exactly, Crystal, right? 420 2.0. One more year ducked in the other ear. Oh yeah, 10 more minutes, Andrew. Yeah, like I never like I always watch it the next morning before the stream, or like if I wake up, yeah, or like after the stream is over. I usually watch it the following day. Uh, Dr. Shed Murphy. You have accumulated more, Sonny, for Dogecoin. You have okay. Yeah, I mean the last month has been all about accumulation, right? Accumulates, buy the dip, buy that dip, buy this dip. Uh, could be a oh, could be waiting more for what? Keeping Dogecoin until $10 or higher. $10 for Dogecoin. I mean, I'm not the right. So we'll see. Again, I like to take things step by step, right? Even though we make fun about targets and okay, what's the target for this? What's that? Honestly, don't like for me, it's like what's happening now. Are we at the dollar? Okay, what's the sentiment? Are people selling it or like what's happening? Venom, hello, right? Are we? Does it look like we're about to, because yeah, market caps and whatnot to $10, and again, I'm not, anything's possible, but yeah, and eat the rewards. Buy the dips. Eat the rewards, guys. So again, that's crypto for the last 5 minutes, right? Things are looking good. Things are looking good, right? So a few fun facts here. Ooh, okay, cool. I think Stuart, I think you posted this in Discord as well. So this was also in the Twitter section. So Grayscale says they will sue the SEC if they deny their Bitcoin spot ETF. Um, like, what are these guys doing? That's my question. Like, what are they doing? What are they doing? Like, can we have like nice people? Can the SEC become nice people? Like, can they let AMC go? Can they let XRP go? Can they let the Bitcoin ETF? Like, what are they doing? Like, they're just holding everything back, right? So, well, face value, that's what it looks like, right? So, I don't know what the reasoning for. We're never gonna find out what the reasoning is, but that just seems like so much rubbish. Big money waiting to come in, exactly, right? So, not sure what the delay is all about here. Uh, and yeah, there you go. So hopefully, hopefully the big monies are, you know, the big monies are. Who's the bosses? That says it all. Yeah, exactly. Like honestly, I don't know what to tell you. Honestly, like it's rubbish. Like it's pure rubbish. When you see like something's just clearly not right. 5 minute is fun taco bubbles. Where's Blair? Yeah, those 5 minute bubbles are nice. Right, quick flip around. So it's like everyone can see that there's something not right about the or just protecting us all. Yeah, it's like we're doing this for your protection, guys. Protection? What do you mean protection? Protecting me from getting rich? Okay, yeah. Thanks. Thanks. I mean, like there's just so many cases where this is just not working. Like it's just not working. Like and like you take a look at it all the time. It's like it's the same people. Like what's going on? It's the same people. Like can you guys can we stop with the protection? Let us lose our money, please. Let us lose our monies because I mean we lose our monies in if the housing market crashes, if inflation, if the stock market crashes, what about that protection? Rubbish. Anyways, fun fact, right? Bitcoin, the 19th million Bitcoin will be mined in 5 days. Cool, right? So we know there's what is it, 21 million, right? Total supply. So yeah, cool. Is it Amber? Like honestly, I don't know what to tell you. Like I just like just hold ultimate rubbish. Ultimate rubbish, Amber says. I just like looking at some of these fun facts, guys. So Bitcoin, fun fact, right? 9 years ago, today Bitcoin hit 1 billion market cap, right? So what's the current market cap for Bitcoin? Well, let's take a look. So 9 years ago, wow, that's a long time ago, right? So currently the market cap here for Bitcoin is what? 900 billion, guys. Over again. So there's more to that though. I don't want to just go over, don't want to go all over all of that, but 900 billion, right? 9 years ago, Bitcoin was like, yep, here we go. Here we go. Welcome, right? Hi, my name is Bitcoin, and I'm worth 850 billion ish. Yeah, there you go. So, especially with this dip here as well. Hi, my name is Bitcoin, and I am worth, right, 1 billion. $1 billion 9 years ago, right? Yeah, now we're pushing for 1 trillion, guys. It's not that it's not, it hasn't been that long. Like it's not that long, honestly, right? So I mean, do you think about how long it's taken like a company like Apple and the Amazons and like these $1 trillion companies? It's taken them a long time, right? And a lot of work. Not saying that Bitcoin, but that's impressive, right? 1 trillion, right? Monies. That's monies, guys. A lot of monies, right? And it's not stopping there, right? I mean, like almost 1 trillion, and that's with a nice discount. From 70K to $47,000. Nice little discount. People looking for Bitcoin to eventually get to $1 million, right? Imagine. That's some crazy growth. Yeah, that's impressive. That's impressive, right? That's impressive, right? 1 billion, 1 trillion. Wow, that's madness. Uh, that's impressive. With more to come, hopefully, right? So, yeah, more funds, guys. Again, more fun facts here. Look at that, funny. Oh no. There you go. Feel like we're gonna keep having fun with this. Can I get the thrust beats, please? Oh yeah, let's go thrust beats. Now I'm gonna have to go to. Let me see here. Where's that playlist? You guys ready for this? Special request. Mindy says, "Can I get some thrust beats?" This is gonna be like Mindy's introduction. We need Mindy stories. Don't worry, Mindy's coming on tonight. I don't know if she can, because her voice is. Let's see. You guys ready? Are you ready? Oh, and thrust. Where's virus, guys? They're following through on that slap, right? Look at that, guys. That's Bitcoin. Speaking of like 1 billion to 1 trillion, that's the slap. That's money slap. To the left, that's money slap, guys. That was it stage. I don't know. Like honestly, don't know because it doesn't seem like it because of apologies and also potential like uh LAPD saying that like Chris Rock is not charging anybody, not filing any charges. I honestly don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to say about that rubbish. Quick release rope activated. Quick release rope activated. Let's go, virus. Put your headband on. Ready for this? Alrighty. You guys ready? It's nighttime, but that doesn't mean we can't party, guys. It's Monday night. That doesn't mean that we can't party because there you go. Let Let's go and shake it. Let's make it more monies. Let's go. We're missing something. You guys know what we're missing? You guys know what we're missing? I knew it, guys. I knew that was Mindy like introduction beats. I knew it. Let's let's go and shake. Let's go. What? Mindy's back, guys. Come on. That's the Mindy introduction song. Eh? Let's go. To the left and thrust. To the right and thrust. Let's go. Come on. Virus is doing some questionable things now, Mindy. You don't want to know what he's doing.
Hey guys, hey.
Let's go. Go, go. Go, go. Let's go. Oh no, Mindy. So this is the song you wanted to come on to? This is your beat?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Is it again? That's Victoria's like, again, daddy? Oh no. Victoria is Robert's daughter, Mindy, and she's jamming to the beat.
Is he? Oh
Again,
yeah.
yes, tell her Victoria, we party on hot rates. Like we and thrust to the left, and thrust to the right, and shake it. Let's go. Let's go, Mike. Good to see you, Mike. Wow, Mike.
Mike.
Remember Mike?
Hey, Mike.
Like
I
back to the
remember Mike.
OG Dogecoin days.
Wow.
Yeah, right. Okay, let's go back to the to the slow vibes. The slow vibes here. Mindy, how you feeling? Any for the people in the chat? How you
Good.
yeah,
Took a shower to like clean it all out before I
yeah,
came on stream, so
yeah,
got my voice back this afternoon. We're
yeah,
good.
yeah. So that's good. Mindy's been going through the roller coaster of
Through the ringer of strip
yeah,
throat.
yeah, through the roller coaster. There you go, Mike. Good, good. What's going on, guys? It's good to see you, Mike. It's been way too long. Been way too long, Mike. Good to see you. For the Mindy stories, Mindy. I don't know, Mindy. How many? If Mindy
Well,
has any stories
about how many?
for the Mindy stories. Everybody loves the Mindy stories. Um, I don't know what to tell you. We'll see if Mindy has any stories for you.
Corona? No, I had strep throat. The
But it's
good old strep throat.
but initially it sounded like you almost like you had COVID, and then like it's almost
Yeah,
like from this to that to this to that.
a
There you
little.
go. There you go. So good to see you, Mindy. And tell us how many people are missing since your birthday.
None.
None. Okay, there you go, guys. What's Edgar? That's the question. Edgar's missing. Edgar's missing.
Yep, he gone.
Don't say yes,
Oh,
Mindy.
yeah, we did think it was the Rona at first, and then like I was really sick, and I didn't know what was going on, and then all of a sudden it was like my throat. Like 2 days after I got sick,
Yeah.
got the throat funk, and then um in a battle all
Mhm.
week. Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Today's
And
like a good day. Like I feel like I know I'm not 100%, but I feel 100%. Like yesterday, like we're playing COD. Like I had no voice, and then this morning no voice, and then um, I finally. It's good. I think we're good. I think we're solid now. So
hopefully.
yeah. The longer
Yeah.
I talk, though, it'll start disappearing. So we'll
Yeah.
see how long I last here. Hopefully we're in the clear. But yeah.
So you guys better start getting those stories out of Mindy before the voice is gone, guys. There you go. It sucked. Yeah, it really does. Honestly, Stuart, it's really rubbish. Um, Edgar will show up when the stock or crypto pumps, then he'll come to FOMO. That's what Edgar does, right? It's like, oh my goodness, what's this? It's pumping. Okay, how about I FOMO? Edgar, unbelievable. The freezes
You'll be
froze.
living off cough drops.
Yeah.
No, the cough drops weren't working. They were making it worse. Like I didn't eat for like a week. Like ask Blaze. It was like popsicles, like straight popsicles. That was it. That's
Yeah.
all I was eating. And then I kept going to the doctor, and then they gave me some like lidocaine to like swallow, like the
Yeah.
stuff you get at the dentist to like numb your mouth. Like I was drinking that, like drinking poison. Just kidding, not poison, but it was the only thing that was helping. And we're
Yeah.
good. We're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Andrew, the fine cuisine in Canada. I know. I asked Mindy, like, Mindy, these cough drops are like, they're like a delicacy. It's like, chocolate. You need to like, it's like, nope,
No,
not working. It's not
no
working.
working.
Yeah, not working, guys. Yeah.
There is some cough drops out there though that were helping. Like towards the end, it's like the Mucinex cough drops. So if you guys ever have a sore throat, I'm telling you, it's like Mucinex sore throat cough drops. I was sleeping with them in my mouth. Like they work. They work, but not at the beginning, like towards the end. How was
Yeah.
my birthday? I was sick. I was sick. I got to Wyoming, and we went to it's like this cowboy bar. We went there. There were so many people there. There had to have been like 1,000 people there. Like it was so crowded to where you just couldn't like have fun. Like, have you ever been to a bar like that where it's just like overly crowded? You don't know where to go. You don't know what to do. You can't even get like a drink of water. Nothing.
Hmm.
And we sat there, and then me and my sister like drove around for a couple hours, like just hanging out, looking at deer and stuff. And then the next day, we went shopping, and it just hit me. I was so sick,
Yeah.
and it started out with like the Rona. Like I thought it was a Rona,
Yeah.
and we were driving. Like I was like, we just gotta go home. Like we just gotta go home. I can't deal with this. On the
Hmm.
way home, like I got really sick in the car and threw up on the side of the road. I know this is bad. And a police officer pulled us over while I'm like yapping on the side of the road. And he's like, "Are you okay? Are you okay? Like, what can I do?" I'm like, "Just leave me the hell alone." I'm sick. And so like the whole like 3.5, 4 hour drive home, I was just sick.
Yeah.
And it was a good birthday, but like it was one I expected, but it's all good.
Yeah.
It's all good in the hood.
At least you got sick kinda-ish, like the next day, the day after.
Yeah, I had fun that night. Like it was fun,
Yeah.
and we ate at this and I don't shun against like vegans or anything like that because like I some vegan food's like really good. Like I enjoy the
Yeah.
Impossible Burger,
Yeah.
but we went to this like Korean like vegan restaurant because it was the only thing that like wasn't crowded.
Yeah.
And no shame against being nothing, but it was not the best. So like I don't know. We thought I had like food poisoning at the
Yeah.
beginning from this vegan Korean barbecue thing, and
Yeah.
yeah, I thought it was a tofu, but it wasn't. I was just sick.
See,
Yeah,
man, the stories are coming. The stories. The
that's it. That's the
stories.
story from this last week.
Yeah. There you go. So that's Minnie's birthday sickness in the last like week. Sickness. So why have we been thrusting, guys? Why have we been thrusting on here? Minnie's been fighting for her life. Um,
Literally.
right? We've been thrusting, and yeah, that's amazing. It's amazing how life works, isn't it?
It
Just
is. It was
living
good.
it.
Like it was good though. It was like well resting. Like as
Yeah,
sick as I was, like I think my body um it needed to be sick for a minute.
yeah, yeah,
I think I needed to get like that final sickness out before
yeah,
summer hits and
yeah,
we start getting busy, and
yeah,
so
yeah,
I'm glad I got sick now instead of when it's like 100 degrees outside. Because I don't have air conditioning in my house, so if I were to got sick, if it was like 107 outside, I
yeah.
would be miserable. So
Sick. Yeah,
I've been bad.
yeah, exactly.
But what's
Vegetables.
everybody else been doing?
Oh, Minnie, we've been thrusting. Um,
What's
and behave in the chat. Behave, because I know what's about to happen now. We're about to get someone's about to say something. Edgar missed you a lot. Edgar missed you a lot. Jose missed you a lot. Especially Edgar. He's like, "Where's Mindy? When can I have some poems? Have some poems from Mindy?" So, Johns, you're tired from dancing all day today. Yeah, thrusting like madmen. Yeah,
I was watching. I didn't watch the stream all day. I was watching.
yeah.
You guys were going crazy.
Hmm. No, we had we had some funs as AMC again. Like when stuff pumps, we have fun. So it's always nice to see people make monies. It's always exciting.
Oh
It's
yeah.
like, yeah,
No, it's well deserved. Like especially AMC. Like I really just wish it would just get it over with for
Yeah.
all the diamond hands in our Discord and set
Yeah.
them up. They all deserve it.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. So, how do you feel about the little crypto rally? I know you've been waiting and waiting and waiting, but nothing's really happened yet. But
Yeah.
it's a start. How do you feel about the small?
Um, I don't know. I feel like I'm still like in the
Yeah.
dip. Like I don't
Yeah.
know. Like like as much as like we're pumping and like everything's starting to like kind of adjust, you
Mhm.
still kind of feel like you're not trusting it.
Mhm.
I guess
Yeah.
you're like, no. But
Yeah.
I really hope that we start. It's not what I expected. Like I expected like Bitcoin pushing to 50 and like things would be like mana would be pushing for like 350
Mhm.
and like I just had different levels in my head when Bitcoin was a certain price.
Mhm.
So I don't know. Um, I do think we need like confirmation above 50 for everyone to be like, okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go for like the 60s and the 70s because right now there's so much to where we could go to 40, like instantly. And I know that's bad to say, but I think that's what a lot of people are thinking. Like we're not out of the woods yet, and
Yeah. Yeah. So, ice cream.
it's better than chilling at
No,
36,
exactly.
38, 36.
Exactly.
So
It's part of the slow process. You know, part of the investment process is what we're calling it.
am
So.
I still hating on crypto? No, I'm not hating on crypto. Like
Uh-huh.
I have like Blaze can attest, like I buy every crypto dip known to man. I'm like, bro, it's a discount. Like, come on. Like, why? Like, what's the matter? Like, if you believe in something and it's gonna go, for like I don't know. I have a crypto that I'm not selling for anything less than $300, and that's just me. And so, like, when I get that mindset, I'm like, what's the difference of buying at $2.11 versus $2.30? If you have that plan of, you know,
All the tips.
if you have that price target. So I'm not hating. I love it. I love crypto more than a lot of things actually, but I just
Hmm.
it's hard.
Yeah. Get a yeah. Moon time. Yeah. Moon time. Moon time. Hopefully. Hi, 60s from ATL. 60s always says hi from Atlanta. Hello. Hi.
Hey,
From the I don't know about
I've
margin.
learned a lot about margin and the importance of stops or lack thereof. Yeah. Yeah. Getcha.
That sounds scary. That sounds scary. Importance of yeah. I don't know. Are you okay though? Like you I mean sounds like you learned the lesson and you know like your statement always seems like your statement seems very positive looking, right? So I learned from this experience, like I'm not completely torched, so that's a good thing, right? So Jason, hopefully you're
Yeah.
not a yeah forward looking statements. There you go.
Goatman.
What's Goldman or no Goldman? uh Mindy, don't laugh. Don't laugh. Because no, Mindy's thinking of the goats, the goat's gift.
Uh,
That's what it is. That's what she's
yeah.
thinking of. Um, um,
Pain tuition. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Not,
We
not,
all we all pay our
yeah,
tuition. We really do.
yeah,
I pay it. I continue to pay it. Blaze pays it. Continues to pay it. You're
uh-huh,
always gonna pay the price
yeah,
for gains, right?
yeah.
Whether or not that you just think that you're winning all the time, because eventually the market will humble you, whether it's crypto or
Mhm.
the stonks or
Or,
NFTs. Um,
or
you will
NFTs. You have to drop that in there. Or NFTs.
you will be humbled very quickly,
Yeah.
very very quickly.
Yep. Sunny, wait, kudos. Bitcoin by 50 was car 50K by tomorrow. $50,000 by tomorrow. I mean, did you see that happening? Anybody else?
Um,
By tomorrow, Bitcoin 50K by tomorrow. 50K by tomorrow. Let me take a look. Yeah,
I see it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Anything really forming on the 15? Not really. There's nothing that's like visible-ish on the 15-minute time frame here. In terms like head and shoulders, maybe, right? But yeah, interesting. Nothing on the 15 there. We just need to clear above 40, 48.5. I mean, if we can push above 48 here tonight, that'd be cool, right? Only $500. Like, that's it. $500, guys. And, push above 48,000 dollars. And then, yeah, that's more of a, we start looking at it from a different point of view, right? So it says nope. Stewart says nope. Nope. We're not going for $50,000, right? So again, next level resistance here we need to clear is $48,000. We talked about how again we like to take things step by step, right? This level and this level and that level and that level, right? And hopefully we can break about 48.3 here and get going to the upside. It's trying. You can see that we have support here at 47.5. Again, not a surprise level, and we are trying to hold that level, right? We're bouncing initially. We're trying to bounce again here now. So yeah, for the outs, yeah, right. So I mean, like a lot of these outs are just waiting for um, like Mindy mentioned earlier, confirmation, right? So confirmation, just like break and hold a level. Even if we're going sideways, we talked about this last night quite a bit. I mean, like even if Bitcoin is just going sideways and holding, as long as we're not crashing, these coins are they're gonna take turns in pumping, right? This is gonna be pumping, that's gonna be pumping the next day, this is gonna be pumping, which is fire, right? Fire. Keep going. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Nice bounce, nice boom boom candle. Oh, you guys asked for it. You asked for it. There you go. So yeah, we'll see. Um, e- give to the stream. Give. Ooh.
Um, yeah, I don't know. I'm not saying that I think Bitcoin's going to 50K tonight. I just think I wouldn't be surprised though. I mean, but we do need some. We do need to hold like Amber saying and confirm. But I truly think that there's quite a bit of hype on Bitcoin right now, and I think the altcoins need it. Like Blaze was saying, altcoins need it, or else. Um, or else.
Oh no.
What do people think about BTT? Um, does anybody have any thoughts on BTT? I tried playing with BTT once. I made some money,
Mm.
but it just doesn't move the way that like uh, like you would hope. Very very. Can I talk louder? Blaze, can you turn the music down a little bit? Sorry.
Yeah.
If I talk louder, Gary, I'll lose my voice. Um, BTT though, BTT is like I think it's a part of like the guy who created Tron. I think his name was like Sunny or something. I don't know. I did some research a long time ago. But yeah, it's not my cup of tea anymore. But if you believe in it, great. It's just not my cup of tea. I think it's like more of like a video gaming kind of on along the lines that kind of token. Not for
Yeah.
video games, but it
Yeah.
ties in with like Tron and stuff like that. I believe so.
Yeah. Exactly. Goats. Hey, goats. We have goats, guys. We have goats. We need like I think this one's better. Like just like a flash of it. Goats. Look at that. The goats. There you go, guys. What's the other one? I wonder if the other one is like good for like just having it on here. Let
Yeah,
me see.
it's just a chill one. Like someone's
Yeah,
being useless goat, just chewing some cud.
that's funny. That's actually really good. I like that. Um, I like that. Um, please, please. Oh, BTT. I don't know. Rico says, "Have you checked the Shiba chart blessings? Blessings.
Blessings.
Blessings. Oh, interesting. I told you the story about no, I don't. Yeah, Mindy. You know. So again, let me know your position is for Shiba, and then we can take a look. Rico, we've looked at Shiba, right? And Shiba again, like just like every other altcoin, well, most of them, right, like tied to Bitcoin. So it's not really doing a whole lot right now. We have resistance. It actually pushed today, which is nice. Push, right, and filled at 30, which is like the main level of resistance. So we do need to clear that level to push to the next phase. Then let us know where your position is, and we'll take a look. For you. Hey, yo, Larry. Good evening. Bonjour, good evening, bonsoir, bonsoir.
No, I like Shiba. We haven't. It's just not moving. I mean, all the crypto though, if you look at it, all the altcoins are in like the process of like kind of like a wonky double bottom. It's like I was telling Blaze that today, and then like I saw like XRP had like a wonky like inverse head and shoulder kind of thing. So I mean, they all are starting to form like bullish patterns in my,
Yeah,
in what I can see. So hopefully Bitcoin can start really pushing and get that confirmation. Like it's only a matter of time that everything decides to move together.
yeah,
Um, it's it's just hard for Shiba with me, or hard for me with Shiba. I love Shiba, but I'm not betting like the house on it, I guess you could say.
no,
But
you're
that's
not.
like your own personal financial uh, investment
Yeah,
decision, I guess.
yeah,
But
exactly.
yeah.
Yeah,
I feel like the last altcoin run that we had with all these like random names like SpongeBob, Inu, Pikachu. Like I
yeah,
just got like I was like no more. Like no more Inus, no more doggies, no more. Like that was like my
yeah,
self like decision. I was like
yeah,
strictly like long term for me, and because it's hard to keep up with, like one day, if you miss one day and it ran 100, 200% and you miss it, then you're like, well, I'm stuck, you know?
exactly.
It's just hard.
Ooh,
I miss you too, Jose.
yeah. Jose, Jose, Mindy needs a poem. Can you give Mindy a poem, please? Please, please. We've been,
About physics fundamentals. Yeah, Stuart, really, truly. It was more like, for me, it was like from like YOLO, like,
yeah,
I don't care whether this goes to zero or not, to
yeah,
like, okay, I actually do care. Like I
yeah,
need to like reassess this crypto thing. Like if I'm gonna be in crypto and I want like exponential gains and I really truly want that like um I guess like not retirement, but like you know what I'm saying.
mm,
Um I had to make some like executive decisions. I was
mm-hmm.
like, okay, what do I believe in? What has good, fundamentally is going to matter in the crypto world? Like if more adoption, which more adoption's coming through.
Yeah,
Look at Luna.
yeah,
Um, but I had to do the research on my own and find it out. And you should too. Like whether you want to just stay diversified, but make sure that you're putting your money where your mouth is. How about that?
exactly.
Like you truly believe in what you're doing, because
And
it
that's
is.
a question to you, Mindy, that we ask quite a bit. Like like back when Shiba was running, it's like, okay, like what are your intentions here? Like you looking to collect some quick gains? If you are like looking to collect some quick gains, you know, like maybe collect those quick gains. Then if it's an investment for you, and then okay,
Mhm.
cool. When Shiba does drop, because it will happen, try not to panic too much, right? Don't panic.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
do the
We all
research.
got caught. I mean, we all got caught in that stuff. Like that was crazy. Like I didn't sell at the top. I ended up selling for way less than
Yeah,
what the top was, and I still made nice gains. But at the same time, like I
yeah,
had to drop. I come to the realization that like I need to like have a rubbish portfolio where like okay, I'm going to take profits no matter what. There's no
hmm
goal in sight. When I'm comfortable, I'm taking profits, and then I have like a separate account where it's like okay, like, this is gonna stay in there for years or a couple years or 5 years or
yeah,
Yeah, I might as well
Exactly.
do that.
Yeah.
That's gibberish research. Hey, when you don't do research, you get rug pulled.
Yep.
Do I have Luna? No, I've been watching this $100 level. So I either need like a big fail or a big confirmation above 100, preferably 105. But
All nice.
yeah, if I'm gonna put money into it, I'm not I can't FOMO when the chart is the double top upon double tops of mother of all double tops.
Motherboard double tops.
But I'm sure it's gonna do fine. I mean, it's like Stuart spams it and he loves it, and Blaze has done research. Like, I'm sure it'll be fine. I just trading smarter in 2022.
Yeah. 2022. Trading smarter. Not yellow
Trade
Yeti.
smarter, not harder.
Not harder. Yeah.
Gonna
Luna.
fly. Yeah.
Fly. Fly away like the wind. Yeah, no, Luna is I mean, Luna can find a way to clear those clear all these levels of resistance here, right? So again, in like we mentioned this earlier to you, like when I looked at the daily chart, is yeah, looking at this from a technical point of view, it needs to clear these levels, but fundamentally, I mean, it seems like it wants to go, right? So there you go. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, there you go.
Fun.
Yeah, and so yeah, it's funny though, because yesterday we talked about how if you have $1,000, if you have $1,000, what are you looking to do? Like, what are you looking to buy? Moses, thank you for both for being. Let's go, Moses. Thank you for being here. We talked about this yesterday. If you have $1,000, and Luna came up as well, right? So if you have $1,000 to invest, right? You know, we talked about the good old like so again, Stuart talked about the triple split, right? We talked about how we almost want to make you know, speaking of like rubbish coins and to fundamentals, right? You almost want to you want to go from like you want to do where you're like 50% like, you know, solid, defined, something that isn't going anywhere, right? That has a lot of backing behind it, you know, 25% on something that's speculative, right? We talked about again metaverse play, for example, and then we talked about another 25% for something that's absolute rubbish. Well, not rubbish, but something that has explosive power, something that's exciting, right? So that's the same idea of like, you know, what Mindy's talking about, like splitting up your portfolio, right? Not just all like rubbish coins, or like not just, you know, because there are times where like you buy fundamental plays, Mindy, and like the market goes on the bear cycle, and you're just waiting, and it's not fun, right? It's not fun at all. Whereas if you have like your whole position and you're 25% of like FOMO, fun play, you can play with like the SpongeBob Enus and double that thing and just keep going and going and going. And it's fun. So, um, something to think about. Ooh, ooh. Is Bitcoin pumping with this year? No, not really. Luna always kind of does its own thing there.
Hmm.
And we talked about yeah, and then Algorand, Mindy. Algorand, right? So and like all these charts look the same. Like you mentioned earlier there, and Algorand needs to clear dollar here, right?
Yeah.
She says, yeah, like I honestly don't know why this thing is still below dollar. I really don't know why. Because the fundamentals on this thing is they're nice, right? So I'm not sure why it's still below dollar here. Trying.
The other thing about Algorand, I don't like. I tell Blaze all the time. Like, I love what they do. I love the blockchain. I love everything about Algorand. I always have. Um, Sorry, I got a text.
Yeah.
Um, but I don't necessarily they care about the algo token itself. Like, they don't care what the price is. They don't care where, like, they're more about that blockchain and the acceptance of that. And people don't really FOMO into the coin as much as you would like
Mhm.
based on news. I mean, they have some wicked news that comes out, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so wicked, cool,
Yeah.
and you won't see the chart move at all, and
Mhm.
it's weird. So maybe one day it'll catch up, maybe it won't, but I'll be there either way.
I
I
still remember the one
guess.
night where like Algorand exploded. Like when I
Oh
say
my
exploded,
god.
guys, I mean
I
explode.
thought it was happening. I'm like, Blaze, I'm gonna wake up to like $100. Like, because like no, not 100, but I had like a price target of like $6 for it at the time. And we just I mean, I called Blaze and it was like straight boom candles. I mean, like the candles were like 50 to 75 cents long. And like even Noir texted me. Noir's like, Minnie, are you looking at Algorand? I'm like, this is it. This is it. Everyone hold on to their seats.
Yeah,
And then it was just like crash right after that. But it was the craziest. And like I didn't know what to do because like I was like, are you gonna sell? And I'm like, what if this is like the moment? Because like whenever crypto like takes off to like the next atmosphere, it
yeah,
has that like boom moment where you're just like it just doesn't stop for days. So
yeah.
I was scared to take profits because I was like, what if this doesn't stop? And this is like when BNB went from,
Oh
this
yeah,
to this, like, and
yeah,
I couldn't. And then now I'm still holding, and I've been holding Algorand for like a year and a half, so, or a year and a few months.
yeah,
It sucks now, but there was a time where I was like, oh, it's happening. It's
yeah.
happening.
No, that was exciting though. That was fun to watch because I thought it was it was fun. Like those candles were massive.
Yeah, it
Those were fun candles.
was wild.
Yeah, it was wild. Ooh,
You feel like the timing news is important. A lot of coins have all the news in the bear market. No, I mean, yeah, timing is important. Like we always talk about that. Like, come on, why did they drop Shiba swap during a bear market? Why did they drop this during, But
yeah,
Algorand, it doesn't matter the market. Algorand every day has like an adoption, a news, of this, of that, and it doesn't matter what market it is in. It doesn't. It
Algorand is
doesn't
a different beast.
I mean, unless you bought the 60 something cent dip last week and rode
Yeah,
it to where we are today, like
yeah,
it's hard to watch from like a whole year of me holding went by, and then
yeah,
you're right back to basically where you started like a year ago, and you're like, oh my gosh,
yeah,
what's wrong? Like what? Like
yeah,
you just can't like fathom.
yeah.
Yeah, look at Luna.
Luna. Wow. Again,
Hopefully
the all-time high for this thing. You know what? So Mindy, Stuart. So if this thing goes to $200, which is just seems like it's a matter of time, Stuart gets a
yeah.
Tesla. A Tesla, Mindy.
Is he buying one or he won one?
Like keep buying one with the gains. Yeah, I
Oh,
think.
okay.
Yeah, with the gains. Yeah. So 105 here ish, right? So that all-time high here for Luna, right? So yeah. All-time high
I need some
105.
FTM in my life. Nah, Blaze has the FTM for me.
There you go. Um,
We
and
were
this,
looking at it, and I chose to buy Tezos instead of FTM. That was like a month ago, right, Blaze?
yeah,
Last month. Yeah, I bought Tezos instead of FTM, and I think I don't know. Yeah,
yeah.
maybe food.
Yeah, yeah, buying it. Yeah, Tesla's been good. Yeah, Tesla did really well today with the split, right? They've done really well. Like Tesla exploded today.
No, Stewart. No, Mindy. Hey, I
One,
can't. I read something that like rubbed me the wrong way on FTM. And I don't know if it was FTM or if we looked at like what was it, H bar or something. We were looking at like a bunch of like sometimes like Blaze and I will just go on like crypto search parties where we're just like looking for hours at projects and like talking about them. But I can't
yeah,
remember what it was that I don't know if it was FTM or H bar that like rubbed me like really wrong.
yeah, come up in
But
now.
I can't remember. I want to say it was H bar, but
Yeah, honestly don't remember. Don't remember here. TGS, good evening. Good evening. Yeah,
mm,
Terra is a goats. It's the goats, guys. If I can find the goats here. Where's the goats? That's the goats. That's Luna. Luna says monies. Monies. Let's go.
Stuart's over here like this.
Yeah, that's Stewart. That's Stewart, guys. That's Stewart. Um, no, Mindy's made more gains from that Tezos play than anything else. So that's really nice.
I'm not
That's
talking bad, Stuart. I don't know. I honestly I can't remember. But there was some reason why I bought Tezos instead, and I'm sure eventually maybe I will buy FTM, but um I have like a limited source of money, just like everybody. So I had to make a
yeah,
decision.
yeah, exactly,
Be right back.
exactly.
I gotta get a water bottle.
Mm, there you go. Hey, that looks really good, Stuart. Get in, Gary. I want to join. Oh, you want to join the stream? Oh, Gary, you sent a message. Let me see here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Uh, Gary says. Okay, sounds good. Here you go, Gary. Yeah, I don't really check. Oh, William. Yeah. No, no, no. There you go. Gary has lots of potential too. I've just been a massive fan of it for ages. Yeah, I'm waiting for the one day that we're gonna wake up, Stewart, and FTM is pumped like 20%. You know, like pump, 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 pump. Right. So, uh, just pump, explosion. Hopefully soon. Again, Luna looks really good there. I like that. So, I like that. Can we have a thrust emoji for the 12? 12. Oh, for you, Virus, your 12-month emoji. Oh yeah, virus 12 months. Can't see it. I need to open up YouTube so I can see that. 12 months virus. Well, thank you very much. You've been amazing. $2 soon. Let's go, Stuart. Right. Yeah. So virus. Thank you very much for all the support. This emoji is for you because you're the thrust master. When you think of thrust, you think of Stuart. Virus. You think of virus, right? Virus. Thank you very much. But next one, virus is next one. Okay, not yet 12 months, but the next one. Okay, sounds good. Um, yeah. Here you go. Thrust it, thrust it, and hello, Gary. Hey, Gary. Here
Hey,
you go.
how you doing, brother?
Good. How are you?
Doing
Thrust
good.
it,
Doing
and
good.
hello, a little background, a little
Hey, Gary. Hey.
your YouTube's your YouTube's Gary's there you go. Look at Luna go, guys. Luna is pushing for all-time highs here, which is impressive, right? So I want to see that thing break above. That's what I'm watching for here, Stuart. Watch that thing clear that 105 level. Gary? Yeah, there you go. It's working. It's working now. There you go.
Yay.
Let's go. Gary, how are you? How have you been?
Busy, busy.
Busy? Yeah.
You know. Yeah,
Yeah.
good. Good, good, good.
You're ready for some more crypto monies? All the
I like
monies?
it. I like
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Brings excitement.
Yeah. No, it really is. Like crypto is a different type of, it's a different type of feeling. It's
It
different.
is. It is. It's laid back,
Yeah, it is. It is.
One
Yeah.
second, I'm gonna try to calibrate this thing.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
From
Look at that, guys.
Bluetooth
Luna is
now.
the biggest bubble. I mean, for $100
Oh,
position to
brother.
be the biggest gainer.
Whoops. Darn.
There you go. Yeah, look at that, right? Luna, biggest bubble. I mean, Luna says Solana who? Solana who? Solana's still at $100. Right? How about Crow, Melvin? Crow is long term wise. Crow is a nice play, right? Really nice play. Crow had a nice little double bottom at $35. So if you picked up Crow there, you're happy, right? So Crow again needs to clear 50 cents now, but it looks really good. It makes its own rules. It really does, honestly. Like Crow really does make its own rule. Not like Luna does. Um, Luna's moved on its own, which is impressive. Gary, that's really
Go
nice.
ahead and don't watch this video if you have no problem.
Gary's recalibrating recalibrating. Yeah, we I don't know. I feel like I didn't pay enough attention to Luna when it dipped to the 70s there, but it is what it is. But yeah, Luna does look good, right? 105. Let's see if Gary's
Get to 70s, to the 70s.
Gary's still echoing. Still echoing, guys. Still echoing. Yeah, no, Melv, if you have any specific questions, let me know about, if you have any specific questions about Crow, let us know. We can take a look for you. But yeah, Crow. Crow sponsoring the FIFA World Cup. Canada, by the way, qualified for the World Cup. For the World Cup, guys. The US, not yet, Gary. Not yet. What are you guys doing? Gary's still echoing, guys. Still fixing it out. But anyways, Canada qualified for the World Cup. So Canadians, congratulations. US, they're still praying and saying, "Oh, we need to." Just kidding. Crystal, are you ready for this? Ready for the World Cup? I'm ready. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Lots of fun. Avax is doing really well too. Avax, 94. Okay, nice. Very nice. Canada,
Okay.
94, okay.
I want to read the chat, but I don't want like YouTube in the background. So I'm like, what the heck? It's been so long.
Yeah.
I want to
We're
read
still
the
echoing,
chat.
Gary. Still
I don't
echoing.
want like YouTube in the background. So I'm like, what the heck? It's been so long.
You might just have to shut down the YouTubes. USA just crushed Panama. They did. Really, Roger? Oh, okay. There you go. Mindy, are you gonna be watching the World Cup? Yeah, Mindy's gonna be watching the World Cup.
I
The
don't
World
watch
Cup. Hmm.
I don't watch soccer unless Blaze forces me to. And
There
then
you
I'm
go.
like, who are you rooting for? The blue team or the yellow team?
It's just the blue team, guys. And then she's like, "Yo, okay, I'm cheering for the other team then." Well, the other team. There
It's
you
so
go.
like soccer to me. Like I like soccer, but it's so slow. Like to score points, like all
Oh,
that work for one goal.
no, man. Soccer is like the most entertaining. Like I don't know if there's anything else in the world that would
Yeah. Hold on.
yeah.
Casey wants to hold on. She wants to say hi. Come
Let's go.
here.
Is Gary Gary, oh, you're good now, Gary. You're good. Casey, hi Casey.
Okay.
And rest, Casey.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now. You're good to go, Gary.
Okay. Yeah. No, soccer, it's like watching crypto on a slow night. You're waiting for the goal and it's like, come on.
No, guys. No. Soccer
Yeah.
is like every
I don't
touch.
mind it. It's just it's slow.
Yeah. Like
I
every
don't like
but that's
I
just
don't
it's just a bit of me.
fake
Yeah.
like leg hurting, rolling on the ground. Like,
the fake flop, like a diving team.
Unbelievable.
I don't want to break balls, but like Italy, they used to annoy me, with like the diving.
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm trying to be,
Casey's chilling. She missed the stream.
yeah, like Casey's just watching now. She's like, "Oh, it's hot rates. It's hot rates, Andrew." Casey's like, "What are you saying? Look at that, just looking." Hi, Casey. What are you saying?
Adorable.
He's saying, "What's going on? What's happening? Candles? Why is that person thrusting? Why is that thrust person?" I'll get rid of it. I bet you if I play this, Casey's gonna run away. You see it?
Nah.
He's gonna be like, "Nah, I'm out of here. What's this rubbish?"
Casey's adapted to you.
Yeah.
She loves
yeah. In the beginning, it was always like, whoa. Now it's kind of like, oh, there's Blaze.
Yeah.
You want to hear funny?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, like my mom came over earlier today, and of course she knows you, she sees you, and she actually saw you dancing
Yo,
like
no.
earlier,
Yo.
and I'm like, this guy is grown, and she was cracking up. She's like, what is up with this dude, and as I was laughing, I'm like, oh yeah, he's come out of his shell.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
has.
Yeah, totally. I mean, that song,
Oh.
gotta love it.
Yeah. Yeah. I went from like I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
Because you're genuine, you're legit. You know.
Uh, you guys are cool. This guy is living his best life. Hope so. We try. We try to enjoy. Casey's like literally staring like all the way into the screen.
It's
He's like,
adorable.
what's going on? He's like,
I
"Okay."
went to a store earlier today, and one of my friends, she was at work, and she has a pit bull. The dog's name's Marley,
Yeah,
and it's so cool. It's like there for like intimidation or whatever. You see a pit bull,
yeah,
but the dog is just absolutely adorable.
yeah.
Look over here. This is the camera right here. No, the camera's over here. It's right there. See?
Gosh.
Well, yeah. Never seen a
I'm gonna
joke.
mute myself. I've got to figure out. It's been a while since I've like come on with you guys. So
Yeah.
it's like I want to have YouTube going, but I don't want like the background. So I'm
Yeah.
like trying to refigure this stuff out.
No. Okay. Sounds good.
Give me a second. I'll mute myself.
Okay, sounds good. Oh, Casey really does miss the stream actually. Wow, she never chilled this long and just like relaxed and watched. And yeah, she does, Stuart.
Other Sakini.
Casey, she's looking so she can't look anywhere else now. There you go. She's like this useless goat again, making noises. Useless goats. Useless
Casey,
goat.
did you see the goat emoji, Casey? Did you? Look at that. What is that? Casey, look at the goat. Look at the goat.
What about okay? Like when's Casey gonna run away, guys? That's the question. Okay, Casey. This maybe.
You see
Okay,
the dress?
Casey's like, nah, that's not it. Casey, what about this? Casey's like, oh no. She looked, guys. She looked. She's like, what's going on here?
He's like,
That's what.
yeah, he's useless. He's a useless.
Yep. Testing the limits. Well, testing the limits, He's loving it. Yeah. Testing the limits. Like, what can Casey see and not react? You know those videos where like it's like a cake, right? It's like a cake, but it's like a pet shaped cake, right? And then like you cut the head of the cake, but it's like it's a cake.
Oh
And then
yeah, and then the dog's face is like,
yeah, it's like nope, we're not doing this.
yeah.
Or like I don't know. There's some funny videos though where like pets react and they just run away. Need to find one of those videos. We need to find one of those videos actually and play it.
Her favorite movie. Casey watches TV like no other. Like it's so weird. Her favorite movie is that like Australian cartoon where like the panda, or not the panda.
Yeah.
There's like a snake, and then it's on Netflix. I forgot what it's called. The Outback. I don't know.
Mhm.
But she literally loves that. But it's funny her reaction.
Yeah.
Just getting on her channel, gives a thumbs up, and then love the channel. Let's go.
So Hogger. Is that the gun you guys like in Call of Duty? Sounds familiar. Sounds familiar.
What's this? Peter and Noir like the M4, right?
Yeah, something. Hogger M13. I don't know what it's called anymore. They always fight for the same weapons in Call of Duty. That's Peter and Noir, guys.
They do.
Yeah.
He's like, why are you here? Why are you over here? Go somewhere else. There's a whole map.
Yeah.
You have to go here. You have to go here. Peter and Noir, Casey, they're crazy. They're useless goats.
Where's Just a heads up, watch after the day stream, but not before. After the day stream, but not before. It's a oh no, oh no. Okay, sounds good, Andrew. I will. I'm looking for that song, Mindy, because I want to play this and see Casey's reaction to Nightfall. You guys ready? You guys have to be mad people in the chat
Look at
because
her
Casey's
staring.
here.
She's staring at you. She was like, what do you
Yeah.
mean night? What do you mean nightfall?
It's Nightfall. Peter Noir. Yep. Noir is like, what are you doing over here? You just heard.
Yeah. He's like, you have the whole map. What are you doing? You have to come over here. And he's like, great, you left me nothing. And me and Blaze are like off doing our thing. Like,
Yeah.
All right. Quick question.
come over here.
How
And
do
he's
I
like, "Great, you
stop
left me
like
nothing."
the double audio?
And me and Blaze
Just
are like mute off the doing our YouTube thing. stream.
All right. Quick question.
Come over here.
How
Like,
do I
there's a mute
stop?
button on YouTube.
Yeah. Just mute the YouTubes. Or just pause YouTube. You can actually just pause YouTube. Like just go into YouTube, just pause it, right? And then the comments is still gonna keep rolling through, Gary, and you're good to go. Are you guys ready? Casey! Hi Casey. Are you ready for Nightfall? Let's go! It's Casey's like, nope, I'm out of here, guys. She said this
No,
is
you know.
my limits.
No.
She's like, nope, this is my limits. Absolutely not. Casey left, guys. Come on, Casey. It's thrust. Let's go. And pump it. No. She said nope, guys. I'm out of here. Gary, you're good to go now? There you go.
Yeah. No, it's been so long, man.
Yeah. Casey had no reaction all night long, Mindy. None. Nightfall comes on, she's like thrusting. She's like, nope, I'm out of here. Nope, we won't be doing this, not today. For anyone new, welcome. Casey wants to go, guys. She's ready to go. This is the most reaction we've had. Come on, Casey, to the left. And thrust, Casey, to the right. And thrust. Let's go. And Zumba. Come, Casey. Let's go. You're doing it. Let's go. And thrust. To the left.
How funny.
He's like, I'm tired.
That's hilarious. Okay, we're good.
Oh, yeah, we're good now. Yeah, Gary, you're
Yeah.
good to go.
Yeah, no, I didn't realize. I figured if I stopped like the YouTube part, I
Yeah.
wouldn't. But the comments are rolling, so it's good.
Okay, there you go.
Hopefully.
Hey, Noah. We just talked about you in Call of Duty. There you go. So we know what the limits are now. Gary, she want to know part of this. Get some other music going here.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome, Noir. Good evening. Hey yo, and crew. You don't have any crypto, but HYMC ran well today. Yeah, Chop. Yeah, I did. It did well, right? It did well. I mean, 80% gains in a single day. That's impressive, right? So,
Okay.
Luna. Yeah. Right. So, Gary. No, we're not talking about stonks, but a little bit of AMC. I know you're ready for round 2. You're ready for more games.
I am, but my Gary Damas says 33 is like a huge level.
Yeah. Yeah.
33.
Yeah.
If we can go above 33, then we'll see.
Yeah.
I think like GME, 200, and then if you get above 200, look for 250.
Yeah.
Just on that stuff like
Yeah.
SPY, 458. Look for 458. After that, I'm going puts.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
Just,
there you go.
just how I'm rolling. It's teach their own. Like AMC, I'm an ape. But I mean, I did take profit. In different little areas. So to see it do what it did today is awesome. But I mean, obviously, people are going off the mining. It's coming out like, okay, they have a different catalyst, and you can never doubt an ape. And maybe people get tired of like the market like, okay, we've been beat down, we're crushed. It's like, okay, game on. We'll pick something and we'll go. You know. So, to everyone that made gains today, bravo,
Yeah, exactly.
bravo,
Yep.
bravo.
Exactly.
It's a tough market. It's a real tough market. And like, we talked about it prior going into the new year, where like volatility is going to be king.
Yeah.
And me, I love to diamond hand, or I love to have belief in everything is perfect in the world,
Yeah.
but it's not. So I learned from my mistakes, and sometimes you have to adapt.
Yeah. Exactly.
So the reality is, taking gains is never a bad thing.
No.
You're never a sellout, you're never a punk. Just be safe. Just be
Yeah.
safe. And
Exactly.
like, what I admire about you, I admire about Mindy. You guys are like technical. You're better than I am, better than I could ever be.
Teamwork.
I look macro. I look macro. You
Yeah.
guys look day to day. So
Yeah.
I can compete. But when I see a situation and when something's not comfortable,
Yeah.
it's like I've got to make adjustments.
Yeah. Oh, Mindy, by the way, was Casey. So she just left. She's like, nope, this is it. She just left.
Yeah. We're paused. We're tired.
Okay. Um, she was ready. Like she was ready to
I
go.
think she was like, I'm out. It's
Yep.
too much.
It's like, nope, not today, guys. I'm
She's
outta here.
adorable.
Yeah.
She's fun. Yeah.
Here you go. No, again, like Luna looks really good there, right? So 105 is that level there, right?
Do
Is that
you ever feel like, like in some regards, like now that memes and crypto is kind of running again, like it's almost like the Empire Strikes Back. Like,
Yeah.
you've beat us down, and now
Yeah.
it's like, okay,
Yeah,
we'll
exactly.
pick a few. We'll go to our, bread and butters and stuff, and
Yeah.
see what happens.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know.
Nice.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's interesting, but volatility, like it's, as I've always said, a guy
Yeah.
like you is going to crush it this year.
Yeah.
Crush it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's this year.
Well, you don't know. We don't know. One piece of news moves things so fast. But I mean, on a technical level,
Yep.
if you follow them, man, this is your bread and butter.
Yeah. Yeah. Too much Zumba?
Thanks,
Too much
Master.
Zumba.
Thanks, everyone, too. It's been a while. I'd like to come on more.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. It's just nice to hang out, guys. Right? So,
absolutely. And that's what I've always said from the get-go is,
yeah.
like stocks are stocks. We can do what we want to do, but it's the community and the people. Even if it's a bad day in the market, and I come onto a stream, I still laugh. I still love to see your smile.
Yeah.
I like to see some trash talked, or just people lighten up.
Yeah.
Just lighten up.
Yeah. No teamwork. It's a meme stock season and altcoin season. Chubbs. Hope not. Um, meme stock season. We'll see.
Virus.
Nice. La, la, la. Gary seems kind and genuine. Yeah, we have some pretty amazing people, right? So
No, we do. And like, I've talked about this with like other friends. I don't promote the channel because, in some ways, it's like kind of like my safe space at times.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah.
I don't want like too many locals,
Yeah.
this and that. I really should,
Mhm.
because they could get a very good education here from the people,
Yeah.
or I could pass on knowledge in a different, manner.
Mhm.
But in reality, it's like I feel like I've known you guys forever. And, I mean, it's been over a year for a lot of us.
Yeah.
But in reality, you get a vibe from people, just talking to different people, who's legit, who's whatever. But
Yeah.
in general, it's like the community here is amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, right? It's the hot trades coin, always pumping. Where's Robert? Robert, you see what I mean? Always. Always, just kidding. I don't know if it's always, but it always seems like it's on here. Let's make the monies. Let's make the monies, guys. Right. So Luna looks nice.
I love your video all the time. Money.
Oh, the money. Oh yeah, that video. That's a really good video. Really funny video.
Money.
Money. What's your goal in life, Mindy?
Money.
Gary, what's the essence on Earth? And the one thing you want to do?
Sorry?
Oh, Gary says monies, guys. There you go.
Money.
Money. There you go. No, Bitcoin is right. It's holding 47, which is maybe all we can ask for now. Hold 47. Find some type of support. Just settle, right? Give it a day or two, right? Settle somewhere above, right? And then these altcoins are gonna start to move here because for now they're all just following along here. Well, like yeah. So hopefully we can stay above $47,000. Hopefully. I mean, like Luna really doesn't, and that's another, like Luna really doesn't follow a whole lot on the way down. Like when Bitcoin dips like that, Luna really doesn't care. It just does its own thing quite a bit. So that's always nice to. Biggest, what's the biggest scam coin on Earth? Biggest scam, Squid. Oh, Squid coin. Squid coin. Mindy, like Gary, you guys watch. Yeah, you guys both watch the Squid Games. Yeah, you guys did.
Yukon? Go Yukon, Andrew.
Yeah, you guys did.
Oh yeah.
Squid Games. Squid Games? Squid Coin. Squid? Well, no, not Squid. What's the name of the show again?
Again,
Oh, okay. Squid.
right?
Yeah, I think Squid Games. Can't remember now. It feels like it's been forever.
The series or the
Yeah,
coin?
The series.
The series? Yeah. Yeah. Amazing. Hard to
Yeah.
believe, huh?
Yeah.
Think
Season
about
2.
this like Korean thing that people had no idea about, and then it just blew up.
Yeah. Yeah. And it became a rug pull coin. Green lights, red lights. You had the green light and then red light. Some gifts. Oi. Let's go.
It's season 2 is coming soon. Let's go.
Season 2.
Squid? There's a
Yeah.
season 2?
Yeah.
They did pick it up?
Yeah.
Well, the way it ended, it seemed that, it was
Continuation.
inevitable.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's raining outside.
It's raining. Oh, wow. Cool. Rain.
Money Heist. That was good. Yeah. Stuart, I liked Money Heist. That was really good.
My favorite series this year, Yellowstone hobby.
Oh,
What
yellow.
is it, Mindy?
Yellowstone.
Yellowstone? Haven't
I
heard
love
of it.
Yellowstone. Yellow Rock, according to
Yellow
Reese.
Rock. Yellow Rock.
Okay.
He's like, I watched Yellow Rock today. I'm
It's
like,
like, some series, you can get into, and it's like, you get going. It's like, I liked Prison Break way back. Of course, Breaking Bad was my jam. And like some of these others, and then there's others I'll get into, like 24, and then it's like,
Yeah.
after a while I'm done.
Yeah.
It's like they go too long.
Mhm.
Same with House of Cards, stuff like that. So
Yeah.
I'm always looking for something really good.
Mhm.
And it's funny, like when someone mentions, like a series, and then you go to it and it's like, oh my God, that's really good.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, there's some good series out there that like just draw you in and you just can't get enough of. And then when they end, you're just like,
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm bummed.
it like
Like
ruins your life.
even with the Rock, not the Rock, but like Ballers. I watched that for a while.
Yeah.
I dig that, and gosh, there's too many. Where you get into it, and it's like, okay, bring on the next series.
Yeah. Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
Like Ozark. Ozark, I dig,
yeah.
and Cobra Kai. I don't know if anyone likes Cobra Kai, but I do.
Cobra Kai. Canada e-bots. These are amazing. These are amazing. I think we need to have them like bigger so we can see. Because like on the,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Yeah. What? Cobra Kai. I watched like the first season, but then I don't
It
know.
gets better, Blaze.
It does.
There's sometimes where it's like pseudo chatter,
Yeah.
where it's like, okay, this is kind of crap.
Yeah.
But as it goes on, I thought the last series was actually really good.
Mhm.
Like the way it's kind of moving on, it's
Mhm.
getting deeper.
Yeah.
So, like the last series I thought, well done. Well done.
Yeah. It's good. Cobra Kai. Ozarks. Ozarks. Yeah. Ozarks was.
Ozark's tight.
Yeah. And yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen the Blacklist, but I like the Blacklist. Um, what else? I don't know. Yeah, what else do I like?
Hmm.
And then
That's
I like.
cool.
Yeah,
I'll check something out. I'll never discount anything until I actually watch it.
yeah,
What works for me isn't going to work for others.
yeah,
But I mean, if it's good, it's like you got to give something a chance.
yeah, exactly. Yellow Rock. Yellow Rock. What are we at here? So yeah, the crits we're a little bit slow tonight, right? Even though Luna is doing really well, it's one of the best performers here, right? Luna.
Hello, Eric.
Yeah. Hey, Eric. Good
Yeah,
evening.
yeah. No, it's been a while. It's been a while.
Yeah.
You guys are photogenic. I'm not so much. So it's like I don't want the camera on my face all the time. I'd rather be like the little keyboard guy behind the scenes. Just
Yeah.
kidding.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess that's why I did radio in the past. Versus
Yeah. Yeah.
No, we like
Radio.
having you on.
yeah.
You want
No,
to
it's
do?
fun. It's fun. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Radio. Gary, stop it, Gary. Stop it. Stop it.
No, I'm serious. The amount of time I laugh, like even if I'm like not even typing or
Yeah.
whatever, like I'll have your stream on the TV or whatever,
Yeah.
and just like watching or listening, it's hilarious, just hilarious. Besides stocks, we're all doing it.
Yeah.
We're all we all have our own whatever we want to do.
Mhm.
But what you bring to YouTube and bring to the internet, is amazing, absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's because we're all useless goats and we just enjoy each other's company. So we are just just have fun. Just have fun, guys.
Thanks, Amber.
All
See, the thing is, everyone knows they're loved. You guys are loved. That's why
Yeah.
we've been together for so long.
yeah. Yeah. Chores.
If you can't have fun with it, then
Get out, sell, sell, sell. That's what I would say. You don't want to deal with the rubbish, sell.
Yeah.
But the bottom line is, even if you don't hold a position in anything,
Mhm.
just your stream alone,
Yeah.
even like there's a lot of times I'm not even in a position, but I'm watching and I'm
Yeah.
rooting for people in here that are making
Exactly.
gains.
Exactly.
I'm like, why didn't I do it?
Yeah.
I shouldn't. But
Yeah.
I've got my levels.
Yeah.
So I'm like rooting people on. I'm like, make the gains, do it.
Yeah. Steward, monies and fun, the good life. Yeah. Right. So monies and funds. What have you done with Gary? What have you done with Gary? What do you mean, fast break? What have you done with Gary? What do you mean? Let's keep going 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys. As yeah, again, Luna
What
is
have you
performing.
done with Gary? Yeah,
Yeah.
Blaze woke me up a lot. I mean, I still have what I've always done, but I mean, Blaze, is the godsend to a lot of people. In reality, especially in this market we're going through right now, you guys should be very thankful.
Let's go. Teamwork, guys. Teamwork, teamwork. It's it's again, it's all of you guys, right?
Yeah,
All of you guys.
all of you, everyone.
Yeah. Yeah.
But without Blaze, I could swear that I'd be done trading.
Oh no, no! Stop
I
it!
wouldn't. No, I
Stop
wouldn't.
it!
I mean, I would.
Without Blaze, I don't think I could do it. Like, it's not fun.
Stop it, guys! Stop it!
Let's make him blush, Mindy. Blaze, you make a bad day good. You make a
Oh,
great day better.
oh no, guys! Oh no! No, no, no! I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if yeah. I wouldn't be thrusting,
But
right?
there you go. See, you're humble.
Thrusting.
You're humble. I mean, if you were not, you would be like, yeah, no, it's me, man. I know my
Yeah.
jam. I know what I'm doing. You're humble. You're
Yeah.
genuine. And that right there is the greatest thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Speaking of thrusting,
Sarah.
where's Sarah, guys? No one says where's Sarah. Speaking of thrusting, where's Sarah? There you go.
She left Blaze at the off ramp.
Yeah, there you go.
What are your plays for tomorrow? I have been trying to get out of my positions and get your 10 down to 4. 10? What 10 do you have? How about that? Like, what's your position?
Some details.
Stuart is a hoot.
Instigator. You know what these two guys are doing in the chat? Instigating.
I laugh so much, though. I laugh all the time.
We had to, Mindy wasn't here, so we had to resource to some other poems, some other
Where's Edgar?
Edgar, right? Edgar was supposed to be writing the poem, so we had to resort to doing other poems. God, we like to stir the pot. Yeah.
You've got D-Walk, Lucid, Zone, Mullen.
Oh well.
Yeah. It's hard to go over. It's hard to go over positions, but I mean, you're pretty diversified. You should come back tomorrow when we're doing stocks, and then Blaze can go over the charts with you. Cat, he comes on at 9 o'clock Eastern, maybe a little earlier, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Roughly.
2 a.m. tomorrow is AMC squeezing. Just kidding.
Yeah, 2 a.m. tomorrow.
Tomorrow's
AMC.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's okay.
Yeah. One thing I don't like in your portfolio is CYRN because I hate that stock. I'm just kidding, but it depends on the level. I think
I mean, you've got some good names. I don't know if I like, yeah. But I mean, D-Walk, good, awesome. I don't know where you got in at, so I don't know if you're losing, if you're green. Mullen seems to have a lot of hype. IMPP.
Yeah.
Mullen under 250. What do you think of like Xpeng? After Xpeng and Neo, after their earnings, like Xpeng was kind of, we're in there. It's all chip stuff with like EV.
Yeah. I don't know. Neo sold off after the earnings. I wonder if I wonder if it's gonna sell off as well too, Gary. Right?
Yeah, it could honestly sell off back down to like 20.
Yeah.
You think so for Xpeng or Neo?
Yeah, XPeng, yeah.
Wow. For Xpeng down to 20 is quite a dip.
Yeah, I mean, it's got resistance at that 30, so it either crosses the 30 or it comes back down.
Yeah.
Either 10% up or 10% down.
Yeah, no, they do move. You're right. After like Neo's earnings, it generally goes like 9 to 10%.
Yeah.
Up
Yeah.
or down.
Usually
Yeah.
within like a couple weeks, if not the next day.
See that right there? Proof in the pudding. You guys know what's going down.
The ego. Traits.
Yeah, Kat, come back tomorrow and he'll go over. We could try to go over some stuff. Or you can if you join our Discord and like become a member in the Discord membership, it's like $4.99 a month. Come in our Discord, and then people in there would love to talk about all of that's on your list. I know we've got holders in there of Neo, of CYRN, of everything. So definitely.
Perfect.
If you can't wait until tomorrow, come check out our Discord. And people are up all wee hours of the morning.
That's a fact.
That's a fact. Wee hours.
Someone's always awake. Someone's always awake, spamming, saying something. Just kidding.
Spamming AMC.
Or music. Music. Sometimes we're just chilling in there playing music.
Yeah.
No, it's fun. It's amazing. Yeah. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah, Kat. Yeah, come join our Discord. Yeah, that link right above your last chat. If you just click there, join the Discord level. It's like $4.99 a month. We'll get you hooked up in there. There's so much stuff from cryptos to stocks to news to majority of like everybody's plays for tomorrow are in there. And then as like pre-market hits in the morning, usually we have some people in there like spamming like, hey, watch this, do that, and it's awesome. If you don't make money in Discord, I don't know really what's happening.
Not just that, Mindy, but you also have great recipes, music, you've got movies, you've got memes, you've got just so much going on. Sometimes to me to navigate the whole thing, it's like, wow. I mean, like Facebook and stuff, when you had that going down, you see this, it's like you go to Discord and it's like, wow, my options are limitless. What do I want? Do I want music? Do I want this? I mean, it's cool. Fun. Very cool.
It's better than Netflix, I think. You thought I was Sarah? I don't even know who Sarah is, Amber. Like, I'm gonna have to watch this stream because I came on at the very end, like in the chat when Blaze was, and everyone's like, Sarah, and I'm like, what is happening?
I got that wrong. All along I thought it was like Sarah from, what is it, CNBC or whatever, the financial girl. So when everyone's going on with like this Sarah thing, I'm like, yeah, she's hot, and then it's like, oh, she's married, blah, blah, blah. And I'm thinking this is like the Sarah there, So it's funny. So, we were like bagging on you, like, this and that. Yeah. So it's pretty funny.
Oh, you thought that's who it was? Wow. Let's go, Sarah. Yeah. Anyways, Kat, welcome to the family. I think you might have signed up the non-Discord level. Sugar mama? Yeah, Sarah's my sugar mama. There you go.
No, financial mama. You want the inside like gains. It's like, I contacted Nancy. I won't mention, I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm like, yo, what's your hobby getting into? Just kidding.
Yeah, Kat, welcome to the channel supporter. If you want the Discord access, you just have to upgrade to the Discord level. It's like an extra $2, but it's just how like Discord's like locked until like you have that level, and yeah, just letting you know.
Yeah,
but we will definitely help you with stocks tomorrow on here. Yeah. For sure.
Sunday nights too. There's always pre-market.
Yep.
For Mondays and stuff. There's just so much going on in Discord. Even if Blaze isn't streaming, I mean, there's a ton of people just in there talking all the time.
Yeah, exactly.
It was, in Discord. Oh, you clicked on the link? Yeah, so there's like different levels. You just have to sign the Discord one. Like, I wish we could let everybody in there, but it just doesn't allow everyone in there unless it's like the Discord level. It's just the way that it's set up. But I was in Discord and Noir was streaming his COD game earlier, Blaze.
Yeah.
And he started the stream and I was like, oh. So I started watching and Noir lands and dies like instantly.
That was you? That was you? So
I've been down there and I've watched Amber build,
Yeah.
whatever that game is. I mean, she'll be building. Of course, you got Blair. Blair will be on there grilling and chilling or slaying gators or doing who knows what. I mean, you just never know what's going to go on.
Yeah. That's funny because I joined and Noah told me the story. He's like, yeah, like my first game, someone joined and I landed and died. So that was you. Wow. Did you?
I don't know if you can hear me because I was like, loser, and then I left. It was so funny. Like he landed, picked up some guns off the roof, and I was like, okay. Jumped down from the roof, like just got nailed. Like as soon as his feet hit the ground, like dead. I was like, you suck.
Yep. Yeah.
Stuart has it wrong. Isn't it from St. Hubert's or Tim Hortons?
I don't know. So Kat, so Kat, these are the levels. If you're still watching, Kat, hopefully you are. So channel supporter, you just get like the emojis, and then Discord is the level that you would need to join the Discord. And then once you join, we'll walk you through how to get in there if that's something that you still want to do. And for anybody else watching, if you want to join, that's how you do the Discord.
You do.
How you do the Discord. It's fun, guys. Like, let me see if I have my Discord up, and I'll give you like a sneak peek if you're new. Won't go into details, but
details. Yeah.
Share screen.
Shaky connection. Gary was yeah.
So this is our Discord for anybody that's new watching. Tons of stuff. You've got stock news. If you go in there, crypto news, all this stuff, stock general, entries and exits, which everyone usually posts like what they bought at, what they sold at. Sometimes we're like late to the party, especially if things like come like that. We've got trade ideas, which is pretty cool. We usually post a bunch of stuff into trade ideas. Stock news always. And then we've just got fun stuff, Hangout General. There's always stream alerts in there. Quiz night, we gave away an award one time in there. Bunch of games where you can play like Connect Floor. Whoops, that was weird. And it's just fun. Like honestly, like it's a lot of fun. So
it's amazing, absolutely amazing.
Let's go.
You're still waiting for freaky DMs in Discord as well.
From who? From Sarah? Oh yeah, you asked Sarah to DM you, did you not, Noir? Your wife is gonna kill you.
Oh Lord.
Blair said, "Hi Sarah, I'm married, but are you allowed to slide into my DMs?" All the boys wanted Sarah to slide into the DMs, guys. Sarah said nope.
What happened? Like, I want to go watch. I just want to read the chat. Like, that's what I want to do right now.
I don't know what to tell you, Mindy. It's I don't know how to explain it. So weird words. So I don't know.
I was out of the loop for a while. Same, Mindy. I'm like, I hear this name Sarah, and I'm thinking, it's like the TV personality after the Fed meeting. After, and I'm like, yo, Yeah, Sarah. Okay, yes.
Yep. Oh, that's what it says, Cat. Hmm. You try. Oh, you tried. You don't know. Tried to upgrade. Yeah. Hmm. Decline your payment.
Hmm.
Declined your payment. Interesting. So let me see here. Decline your payment. La, la, la. Ooh, let me see.
Mm,
That's okay. Mindy, what are you doing? Are you watching the stream?
trying.
Uh,
Anyway, chat. Card issue decline payment. It just depends. Like it might be like your card or your bank has like a safety feature where it doesn't want like
signing up for rubbish on YouTube's.
yeah.
Anyways, I'll just send the link here, Mindy. And so Kat, again, so here's the link. Here's the link to join us in Discord in the chat here for you. It's only gonna work because you're a member. So if you try clicking on it and you're not a member, it's not gonna work. Um, here's the link. Yesterday we had no issues with like people spamming us and joining, so that was good. So Kat, if you click on this link, it's gonna take you over to Discord, and then you just have to follow the instructions. There you go.
There you go.
There you
Hey,
go.
there you go.
Let's go.
It
Yeah,
worked. It
let's
worked.
go. Yours just declined too. Yeah, I don't know. Try it again, Leslie. Like we want you guys in Discord. Like the more the merrier. Like we love new people
Yeah.
because it just brings so much new energy. Like sometimes, like as much as we love each other and we're friends, like sometimes we get like where we're like, man, we need some new people in here. Like let's go. Let's
There you
make
go.
some new friends.
Welcome, Kat.
And so it's fun. Especially like new ideas, everything like that.
Yeah.
I get tired
We
of
always-
Stuart.
The more the merrier.
Stuart, I'm tired of you. Just kidding. I love Stuart. I love everybody. But it's fun. It's fun to see new people and then like new chats in there and new ideas. It's like, yes, let's
Yes.
go.
Mhm.
Yes.
The more the merrier. It really truly like it broadens your trading ideas and
It's
like
true.
everything. It
Yep.
really does. He said, wow, very rude. Stuart, you know I love you.
Blaze.
Yes.
Alchemist.
Alchemist.
The
Alchemist.
alchemist, man. The alchemist. You collect keys from everyone that joins and goes along. It's the journey.
Yeah.
Like everyone
Keys.
is going to offer you a key, whether it's a good key or a bad key.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
So the alchemist, the more the merrier, the bigger the community,
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like siblings,
Yeah.
Are you going to get along with all your siblings all the time? No, but your family, and that's what I consider everyone here. I'm not going to get along with everyone all the time, or, I'm going to look at some and be like, yo, whatever, but I mean, in general, it's community.
Yeah.
So,
Absolutely.
collect the keys from them.
There's no bad idea.
Absolutely.
Literally, like,
Absolutely. And there's no dumb question.
no, like it makes us like, especially when people ask questions, like it makes us think, and then like Blaze will call me, or I'll call somebody, or I'll message Noir or Peter. I'm like, hey, do you know about this? Like somebody's asking a question about SafeMoon or this, like, and if I don't know, it's so much fun because there's so many people in there that somebody knows, and like Stuart's like the all crypto, like he knows crypto. And we were using an expired card, Leslie. I do that all the time. I like one time it was so not embarrassing, but I went to the store and like Walmart, and I like bought a bunch of stuff, and my dad hates more than anything is when cards decline. Like he just gets like he gets so weird. And I was like swiping, I'm like, it should go through. He's like, I'm leaving. And like he left me, and I had to like look, I'm like, oh, it's the wrong card. But like he was like, I can't handle it.
Just like another point is, the thing is when you get bigger than you think you are, like when you think you have it all figured out, you're going to get crushed. And when you
Yeah.
when you think you can't learn,
Mhm.
that's when you're going to have a problem. Like
Yeah.
I can discount, like I could laugh at Shiba or laugh at some other thing, and then it goes to the moon, and then I'm like, who's the fool?
Yeah.
Or I could say, oh, it's here,
Yeah.
it's going higher, and then it gets crushed, and I'm like, who's the fool?
Yeah.
So the bottom line is what I always try to preach to people, or I try to preach to myself is, I
Mhm.
have one button, I can buy or I can sell,
Mhm.
and
Yeah.
that should be paramount,
Yeah. Yeah. Nor.
Is Helgo hot garbage? No.
No,
Yeah.
I don't know. Probably not. Maybe. I don't know. We'll find out.
It's like, if you look at so many of the other coins, did people doubt like Doge when it was like 11? It's a tough play, but I mean, the thing with crypto is one of those, just when you can like push it aside, it can pump,
Mhm. Yeah.
Hot, Amber. Hot. Yeah, Kat. No,
crazy.
thank you. Welcome. Hopefully, did you get her the Discord link?
Mm, no, not yet. I just had like it pulled up, but yeah. So 105, let's go. Yeah, looking really good, Luna. Right. So Kat, welcome to Discord. Thank you for the support. So now that you're a member, all you have to do is you might not be able to since you're new to all this, right? So all you have to do, Kat, is search YouTube's right. Search YouTube's for hot rate, right? Hot rate, right? Hot rate. Search hot rates YouTube. You want to click on the logo or the name or whatever you need to do, right? Click on that. It's going to take you over here. You want to click on the community tab, right? Community tab right there. And the link to join us in Discord is right here, right? Like right there. So that's the link to join us in Discord, right? And so once you click on that link, it's going to take you over to Discord. You want to make sure you go to the Rose channel and follow the right, follow the instructions there. So again, this is the Rose channel here. First things first, read that information, click the cookie. Step number one, click the cookie, right? And then follow the rest of the steps here. So again, basically what you're doing, again, follow these images here. The images, the instructions, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff for you to do. No, let's go, Leslie. Come on. Leslie says, I have never been able to figure out Discord, but so thankful for this channel. Truly keeps my
Keeps my FOMO contained.
Come
Good job,
on.
Leslie.
Thank you, Leslie. Thank you very much. Really appreciate this. I know you're always here. You're literally always here. Stocks,
That's
crypto, you're
awesome.
always here. So thank you very much. Really appreciate that.
I love you. You guys, it's raining cats and dogs outside.
It is.
Dogs.
Yeah. Like, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
You're
Rain.
excited for rain?
I love rain. It washes the allergies away.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go. Okay. Today, we dropped down to the friggin' teens again.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's that's Fahrenheit, Blaze. That's cold, man. We're
Oh.
pushing April.
Yeah. There you go. Leslie, your card, you should just join us in Discord. Join us in Discord. It's the same process. Not your expired card. Same process. It could really be
Got
done
a flashlight in case the power goes out.
because the power goes up because of the rain. Oh no.
Did it, Andrew? It snowed here in New York in the city? Come on.
Boo.
There you go.
Leslie, one day we're gonna get you in Discord.
One day.
Whether you like it or not, girl.
Leslie knows why she's not coming to Discord because of Noir. Because of Noir. Noir says, Leslie, the new hotness. Let's go. Leslie's not coming to Discord.
You
Not
guys
coming.
are crazy, man.
Yeah. What did no? Yeah. There you go. No. What was I gonna say here? Can't remember now. No, thank you very much, Leslie. I think what's his name again? Relax Q had a question about do you think it's possible to join mobile networks with the crypto or NFT world? Elite Token is looking to do this. Do you think it can really do that? I feel like you're looking at okay. um, I feel like your elite token is something you want us to look into, right? Is that your real intention here? Elite token, almost like you're coming from a different point of view there. Uh, for 85, yeah. Let's go, Marlo. Come on. Just wanted to say hi, Marlo. It's good to see you. Hi. How are you doing? How you doing, Marlo? Hopefully you made some. Yeah. Hey, Marlo.
Who's
Hey.
talking about a coin token? Yeah, if you want us to promote your token, not promote it, but talk about it, send us an email at the top of the screen.
Here you
'Cause
go.
we don't talk about every coin. unless our holders are into it or our members are into it and the chat's into it, then
Unless
please
it's
just
unless it's Koji or Kumis, Mindy.
yeah.
Kumis.
Or Kumis.
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 Kumis. Kumis is the only project. It's like the hot rates.
Yeah,
You're
you're in
blowing.
Disneyland, blowing your
Yo,
gains.
Malo.
Let's go. I love Disneyland. Like I've only been to Disneyland one time, and it was in Tokyo, and I've never been to like a US like Disney anywhere. And I think I should go because like it was a different experience, I think, than what people experience in the United States. But it was fun. Like the food there was fun. The
Yeah.
rides were fun. I walked forever, which I didn't like. Like I wish that you could have like scooters. Like scooters. I didn't like the
The
walking. I
tram.
liked everything else, but like yeah, like scooters or like those segways, like something like that. I'd be
Yeah.
there all day. Because the walk-ins what got me. I wore like Converse, Chuck Taylors, and it was a disaster.
Rocking.
Smug
You know
boots.
what blew me away?
Smug boots.
I haven't been to the one in Florida, but I went to Disneyland in California. As an adult or whatever, one of my friends lived around the LA area. So, she had passes and stuff. So we went, and it's like, you got to do Disneyland. And I'm like, okay, I'm an old adult dude and going there. I loved it. Like the fireworks shows and everything were cool.
Yeah.
I was blown away, and like a lot of the rides, like I don't know, there was like the Star Wars thing, like the simulators, and then like Pirates of the Caribbean was cool. But the one thing that really drove me nuts is it's a small world. Not like the song, it gets stuck in your head. Have you been to the theme parks, Blaze?
No, I haven't been to
Okay,
anywhere in the States.
but like anyone that's gone to Disney and you go on the ride, because California was hot, and you go on this ride, you wait in line for whatever, and then it's pretty hot. So you're going in there to cool down and chill, but that song gets stuck in your head. I mean, it's crazy.
Yeah. Try stuck on the ride, Gary. Oh
Oh, you
yeah.
did, Andrew?
Kat, are you on your phone or computer?
We'll get to that.
Yeah, there you go. So those are the instructions you need to follow, Kat, to get connected, and then you have permission to type, right? So let us know if you're on your phone or computer, and then we can walk you through. Yeah, click on the cookie first, of course, right? And then follow the rest of the steps here. Click on the cookie,
And then
guys.
you're gonna go here. You're gonna click settings down here by your name. This like little reel. It'll be on your mobile too. You click settings, and then you're gonna go to connections right here, and you click connections, and then right at the top here, there's gonna be a YouTube symbol right here, but it's gonna be up here. You click that and connect your YouTube. Oh, right here. Click that, connect your YouTube account that you made the membership under. Make sure it's the right email that attaches to your YouTube membership with Hot Trades, and then you'll have access, and you'll be able to see all this stuff and be able to type, because you can't type in these channels up here, but right now you're probably only seeing these two channels. So yeah, let us know.
Yep. What did you do, Marlo? Was each?
How expensive is Disneyland? I don't know. The one in Japan wasn't that expensive, and I don't know because to me it wasn't expensive because I was paying in yen, so it was like Japanese
Did
currency,
you get
so it
like
didn't.
military discount too, or
No,
they
nobody
wouldn't
there.
hook you up?
No, it's Japan, and so they like don't. Most people there don't speak English, so they don't know what like military discount are. I guess.
No, I didn't know if like the military, like if you had like a
Oh yeah, you can
on the
get
way, and
discounts
they would
through
hook
like
you up and say,
yeah, you can get
you could go
discounts
do
through
this.
base. Yeah, through like the base there, you would just go to like there's like an activity center, and they usually sell like discounted tickets there.
That's yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, cool.
but it's not much in overseas. But I don't know about the United States Disneyland and stuff.
Yeah. What are you looking to buy?
Very cool.
Oh, yummy! What are you buying?
Yeah,
Okay,
let's-
peeps. Camera off my face. I just wanted to come
Okay.
on, show my face again, say hello. I mean, I'll be in chat, but I'm
Let's
just gonna kick
go.
it. And,
Yeah,
you know.
Gary. I'm sure we're gonna be off in
Like,
like 5 minutes or so. So thank you
yes,
very much for coming on.
Absolutely. Love it. Love seeing
Thank
you
you.
guys. Love chatting with everyone. But I know Stuart said in the past, you got to come on. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I will. I'll be on more.
There you go.
Got to keep you straight. Got to keep you
Yeah.
straight.
I know you're here to see Sarah. That's what Gary was on tonight for, guys. Here to see Sarah. Sarah from from the Fed show. That's what Gary was calling.
Yeah. How you doing? All right, guys.
Alrighty.
Keep well. Make gains.
Good night, Gary. See you in the
All right.
chats.
Take care.
Chats.
Ciao.
See ya. Yeah. Oh, are you looking to buy Luna? I mean, Luna is available on like what platform do you use to buy a crypto right now? Coinbase, Robinhood. It's not available on Robinhood. Coinbase. Yeah, there you go. It's available on Coinbase. There you go. So, there you go. So,
when Jasmine gonna skyrocket? I don't know. That was like that one. What is Jasmine at now, Blaze? Is it back
it's
like a penny?
335. It's point
Dang
zero
it.
three five.
I
So,
told Blaze at a penny. Like, I don't know if I was on stream when I said it, but I was like, I feel like going all in on Jasmine because if like 1 cent, if it moves 1 cent, that's like 100%. And I never did.
all the monies.
All the monies.
So Nick, Apecoin sold off, right? So failed to break above that level we talked about earlier, right? That 1550. So and then it sold off here. So the hourly here, right? We know we have resistance here at 1550, and that's the level we need to break to go for $18, right? So it never quite broke above and then came back down here. So yeah, it's holding 14 for now. We know 14 is another level, right? You want to be able to close above on the daily, especially close above your 1450 here. That's another level of support. Yeah, it's trying, but it's if this thing breaks below 14, I think that's going to be a red flag. But for now, again, not too bad yet. Until the daily candle closes, right? It would be nice to be holding $15, but it is what it is. Apecoin here. Apecoin. No, honestly, Mindy, like we've been looking at the entire crypto space here. Nothing's really moved tonight except for Luna. Luna is the only thing that's pushing for all-time highs here tonight.
Yeah.
All-time highs. If it holds here, you're gonna buy more tomorrow. Okay, sounds good. Uh, Potentially worth waiting for a retrace before getting in. Exactly right. So yeah, all-time highs, right? Yeah, so just keep that in mind. FOMO, right? So if this thing can find a base above $100, that'd be nice. But if it breaks below 100 again and sells off, then that's concerning. So let's go. Yeah, if you have any questions, just ask in the crypto channel, right? Any questions at all in Discord, ask in the crypto general channel there, and someone will help you out, right? If you're a member, just ask in Discord. So let us know if you're good to go, Cat. If you're connected and good to go there, let us know that we should be to come down for a bit. Or a wave, yeah. No, wave is the top gainer, right, Mindy? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Waves. Again, don't forget to hit the like, guys. If you haven't already, hit the like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And let us know if you have any last questions, and then we can hop off and yeah, and then come back tomorrow morning for the for the rest of the madness. For A2MC looks good after hours. AMC slightly red, right? But there's still a lot of pre-marketness left. So when torch Devi, when torch Devi. Johnny says, Mindy, about time you yeah, the sickness. Nah.
Get down with sickness.
Yami, Leslie, Yami says, Discord isn't hard. It's not hard, Leslie. It's not hard. It's up to join it, and it's really simple, and you're gonna love it, right? You're gonna
Yeah,
enjoy it.
I love it.
There you go.
I don't know what we did without Discord. Like we had Slack and stuff, but Discord's just a
Yeah.
whole another ball game.
Yeah.
It is so fun, easy, peasy.
Yeah. Yeah. Like Facebook, first you didn't put, yeah, it's a face platform like Facebook. There you go, right? So let's go, Nick.
How's Mullen looking?
Mullen?
Funny.
What the dip, Mullen?
I mean, after hours, it's up like 2%, about 250 after hours. So
Okay, that's nice. That's nice.
not bad.
Yeah, that's nice. The Discord? Yeah. Yeah.
Guess what I'm having for dinner, Blaze? My
What?
very first feast in a week. Guess what it is?
Let me three guesses. Pasta,
No.
shepherd's pie.
Yeah.
Let's go. Shepherd's pie, guys. That's what I'm having for dinner too. Shepherd's pie.
I think that's when me and Blaze like became best friends because he's like, "What's your favorite food?" And I was like, "Shepherd's pie." He's like, "That's my favorite food." And I was like, "No way. They have shepherd's pie in Canada?" He's like, "Oh yeah." I was like, "Do we just become best friends?" He's like, "Yeah."
Oh, shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie, guys.
Now we like compare our shepherd's pie. Like we send pictures. I'm like, "Does your shepherd's pie look like this?" He's like, "No. Mine takes like all day to make and this." I'm like, "That's rubbish."
Yeah, my shepherd's pie is different. So, 6 hours, hours and hours. And Stuart loves shepherd's pie. Scottish goodies, yeah, Scottish.
Ooh.
All right, is your favorite? Yeah, Yami says shepherd's pie favorite. Um, yeah, like a lot of people love shepherd's pie. It's like it's the first thing I ever liked about Canada. I mean, I know it's not a Canadian thing, but that's the first thing I liked. Like in terms of like meals, I hated everything else like about Canada. Absolutely hated everything else. The cold, the the fact that no one could understand me, the fact that like just a whole bunch of things. But the food, like shepherd's pie was like the first thing, like in terms of food that I liked. Um, bec- um, became friends because we compared stuff. Yeah, you guys compared stuff, Noir. You and Stuart. You must eat poutine. No, I don't like poutine. I tried it once. Don't like it.
When Noir first came on the stream like a long time ago with Dogecoin, I always thought he was a spammer like bot. Did you?
Yep.
Like along like last year, like Noir, like we were streaming and he was like in the chat. I'm like, it's this guy again. Like you rubbish spammer, you. Like the people
Oh
became
no, Noir.
these.
Yeah, the best stuff. Cam, elk heart stew. That sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. I like stew. I like stew.
For real though, I saw Noir and I was like, every time Noir would come in the chat, I'd be like,
Yeah, every time I saw Noir's name, I was like, ooh, black on black, black on black, black on black, because black Noir, black on black. It's because I want too much. Yeah, you want the watches, everything.
yeah.
Yeah.
I can't believe Mike came in the chat today. I haven't seen Mike in so long.
It's been a long time.
That's cool. I was
Yeah.
like, well, what?
Yeah.
Mikey.
Yeah.
Mikey
Long
P.
time. Yeah. Mike P.
Mike P will go down in history as like the super chat king
The super chat king. Yeah,
Yeah.
Mike P was the super chat king.
long time ago.
Yeah, super chat king.
He said to watch that. I'm still waiting on customs.
Yeah. What happened to Vinny? Vinny was in this. Remember the call 2 weeks last Sunday, Andrew, 2 weeks ago actually. Yeah, Vinny showed up, right? So I'm sure he was watches. He was watches.
Yeah,
He was.
sure. He was dropping hundreds for fun. He was like $100 super chats. Like every day, like he would just send like $500. I was like, Mike.
Yeah. YouTube was loving life at that point, Mindy.
Yeah, YouTube was like, let me get all the taxes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember last year having hundreds of people on live with Dogecoin? We had thousands. Like there was one time, like thousands. It was so fun. But you just go through like the rotation, and we're still here. We're still streaming, and we usually get them back in whenever there's some pumpage of Shiba, Doge, AMC. So it's fun. But some people, like, they're only here for Dogecoin. Some people are only here for AMC. Some are only here for this. Some are here for everything. So we cater to all.
Helping the people with all the things. Helping all the people with all the things.
Paying taxes go on YouTube, but the business model and super chats back in is crazy usually to be somewhat. Yeah. 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 That was crazy.
Yeah.
I'm here to thrust. That's it.
That's it. I'm here
Hmm.
to thrust. I'm here to thrust. To abuse someone. To abuse someone. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. The crypto tourist. Yeah. No, it's fun. And, so we need some more. We need something to pump like that again. We need like an altcoin pump. We need something to go mad. Mad, mad, mad. Absolute mad. Oh yeah, let's see here. Let's go. Perfect. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna leave it here for now, guys. Thank you guys again very much for tonight. Thank you, really appreciate that. Uh, Mindy, how's your voice? How's your voice after all the talk?
I mean, it's good. Yeah, it's starting to like become a sinus infection now. So
Okay, there you go. So there you go, guys. Join. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe, join us in Discord. Thank you very much, Virus, for sharing the link. Yeah. So have a good evening. We will see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. Don't sleep in. No sleeping in. So again, have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. See you in 4 hours, Andrew. See you in 4 hours for the AMC squeeze. Andrew, yeah, good night. Stuart, good night. Virus, have a wonderful night. Noor, have a good night. Andrew, again, go to bed. Just I know you're not going to bed. Johnny, he's not
bye,
going to bed.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Good night, Andrew. Sleep tight. Give the kiddos some loves from Hot Trades.
Let's go. Gary, thank you very much. Have a
Thanks for
wonderful
coming.
night.
Amber, bye. Noir, Hot Slots, bye. Hot Slots, I saw that you joined the Discord, or you came into the, I saw you were in there. Make sure that you connect and follow the rules and stuff. I don't know if it's just like delayed or you connected again, but I did see that. Good night, Jason. Bye, Dan. Yummy. Bye.
Free market awaits. Free market awaits. Unbelievable. A cold, thank goodness. Yeah. Alrighty, guys.
And what?
What? And thrusts. And what? And thrust. Alrighty, guys. I had to rejoin. I just okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay. All right.
So we'll leave you guys with Luna pumping to all-time highs, guys. About $1 more. Uh, Good night, Gary. About $1 more to all-time highs for Luna. That's fire. That's lit. Get back soon. Get back soon. There you go. Get back soon. You too. Get back soon, please. Yeah. Party all. Have a wonderful night, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.